Hello, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Here at this point of time, I'm going to talk about the difference between on time and in time in a nutshell. On time and in time are phrases which is used in our daily conversation and in our daily writing practice. But have you ever wondered what I said earlier? In a nutshell. What do you understand by in a nutshell? Actually, in a nutshell is the idiom which means in a brief. It means I'm trying my best to make you understand what's the difference between on time and in time in very brief. So let's understand this, my dear ladies and gentlemen, without taking lots and lots of time. If we start understanding the phrase on time, then what do I mean to say? Suppose you will have to attend a party at 8:30 p.m. in the evening, or you can say in the night, and you say to your partner, to wherever you are going to visit, my friend, I will be there on 8:30. Or if you are going to say, my dear friend, I will be there at on 8:30. What does this mean? It means you are saying that I will be there on time. It means you will not be there at 8:29, and you will also not be there at 8:31. But when you will be there, you will be there at exactly 8:30 in the evening. On time is talking about the specific point of time. There should not be any mismatch. You will have to be there at 8:30. 8:30 means 8:30. Not 1 second late after, not 1 second before. But you will have to be there at 8:30. It means on time. But if you start understanding this in time, then it is talking about you will be there in time means you will be there under 8:30. 8:30 means what I'm going to make you understand. Suppose the party is going to start at 8:30, then if you are saying to your friend that I will be there in time, it means you will be there before 8:30. You might be there at 8:17, 8:15, 8:29, but not at 8:30. It means you are not allowed to extend your timing. You will be there before 8:30, not at the point of time that is 8:30. I hope you all are getting it, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being with me.